Then I'm gonna add my black pepper. Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you one of my favorite, which is bacon and cheese sandwich. So that's my bacon there. This is 3 bacon. That's my bread. As you can see, it is very thick. My tomato, my black pepper, my cheese slice. You can use whatever cheese you have. My cheddar cheese and my melted butter. So let's get started. So hi guys, so here I have a pot on the stove. It is hot because I'm gonna fry my bacon. So I'm just gonna pour some vegetable oil. That's around 2 spoonfuls because you don't need a lot. So my oil is hot, so now I'm gonna add my bacon. So now I'm gonna turn my bacon. Just make sure it's nice and crispy. So this is how my bacon look, guys. It is super crispy. This is exactly how I want it to be. So this is the pot that I used to fry my bacon. All I did, I removed the oil from it and then I wiped the pan. So this is what it look like. So now I'm gonna add my melted butter. So after I add my melted butter, I'm gonna also add my bread. And please guys, don't turn your stove up because you don't want your bread to burn. So make sure your stove is turned down. So now I'm gonna add my bread. And I'm gonna also add my sliced cheese. Then I'm gonna also add my bacon. My tomato. Then I'm gonna add my black pepper. And now finally I'm gonna add all my cheddar cheese. That's a lot of cheese, guys. So now I'm gonna add my bread. Just press it down. All that cheese is started to melt already. So yummy. So this is the fun part. Now you're gonna want to flip it. So just take your time. That's perfect. So just keep on pressing it so the cheese will be able to melt. This is exactly how you want it. So my cheese sandwich is finally finished, and this is what it looks like. Guys, I'm telling you, the cheese is melting so much. This is exactly how you want it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So this is how my bacon and my cheese sandwich looks on the plate. Guys, the cheese is melting. I'm telling you, I am so happy with this result. I hope you guys do enjoy this simple recipe. Please like, subscribe, share for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.